MFA, or multi-factor authentication, is the easiest and most popular way to secure enterprise users and their data. 81% of data breaches involve weak or stolen credentials, and MFA can prevent that. Helix Visual Client P4V 2018.2 is the first version that includes support for MFA. If an earlier version is already installed, you'll want to download the latest version available on the Downloads page at Perforce.com. If your organization uses MFA with other applications, the MFA login process for P4V is similar. When you launch P4V, enter your username and password in the login dialog box. Next, the Helix MFA window pops up. You'll be prompted by a list of factors defined by your administrator. When you choose a factor, it's accompanied by a message describing what to do. Pick the factor you wish to use and provide the appropriate response. If the user fails to complete the second factor, they'll see an admin-defined message telling them so. If the user succeeds, they'll see a congratulatory message which is also defined by the administrator. After acknowledging that message, P4V will load and you can begin work as normal. We hope you found this video helpful and understand the basics of logging into P4V and authenticating with MFA. For more information, please access the online technical documentation. Or, if you have any specific technical questions, contact support@perforce.com.